Recently, I've been seeing a growing number of people expressing the opinion that pornography should be illegal. And when I say pornography, I don't mean porn that's already illegal in the United States, because that's a discussion in and of itself, but I'm strictly talking about the kind of porn, online or in image or video format, that's already legal. I think that more people need to stand up and call this out for what it is. It's neo-fascist rhetoric. Why do these people feel so passionately about something that they have to block other people from doing something that literally hurts no one? And I'm absolutely sick and tired of hearing this, and it's disturbing that this is even a consideration for a lot of people. You're literally just looking at pixels on a screen in the privacy of your own home, and these self-righteous pieces of garbage think they have the right to tell you or I that we can't look at it. It's absolutely despicable. And I'm fed up with these brain-dead excuses people make to justify such a thing. They will say that women are being trafficked and exploited to produce the porn. Are these people seriously this out of touch with reality? All of the women are adults getting paid and giving their consent to be in these videos. Just because you don't like it or disagree with it doesn't give you the right to just come up with some hoax to guilt people into agreeing with you. But even if that were the case, that some of these women were trafficked, what about the ones who aren't? Then there's no argument for that to be banned. Another thing that people will say is that porn shouldn't be illegal, but you should be required to input your government ID into the site to verify you're 18 or older. Do people even understand how draconian and insane this is? Getting permission from the government every time you want to jerk off? But people will make the excuse that it prevents kids and those under the age of 18 from viewing porn. And my answer to that is this: people will do what they want. If the kids don't have access to internet porn, then we may just see a resurgence in things like porn magazines. So let's be real here. Basically, by the age of 13, everyone, girls and boys, are masturbating, and even a lot of them are having sex with each other. We need to stop acting like sex is something evil and gross and needs to be hidden, and just teach people about being responsible. The whole entire reason why anyone is alive is because of sex, so let's stop pretending that it's something invented by the devil. People need to just stop caring about minor things like this. Like, if you tell one of these avid anti-porn people that porn shouldn't be banned, they will just call you a degenerate like some 18th century Puritan, or hurl insults at you and call you a coomer. It's just so ridiculous. I don't care if a bunch of people want to stop watching porn and encourage others to do it, but it completely crosses the line when you just want to ban porn from the internet entirely. Just because you don't like something doesn't give you the right to make the government make it inaccessible for other people. I definitely think that this opinion will only grow in the coming years, unfortunately, and that's why, if any legislation gets proposed or passed about banning or making it inaccessible in any way, we need to completely make sure that it doesn't happen. Not only should people who watch porn or support the legal status of porn support this, just out of principle, we must make sure that we ensure the right to freedom of speech and expression and ensure liberty remains intact. The bottom line is, someone's personal grievances with something doesn't give them the right to turn you into a criminal for doing something completely harmless and victimless within the privacy of your own home. Period.